welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to remove from continue watching on Prime Video. Now, I'm going to show you here on a website, on the Amazon Prime website. So from Amazon here, you can go Prime Video, then come down and you'll see continue watching. Hover over it and you'll see this X here in the middle. And this is remove from continue watching. If you press this, it'll be removed from continue watching. If you're on a mobile or an iPad or something like that, there'll be 3 little dots in the top corner of the preview window. You want to press that and remove from continue watching will be in the list. So once we press that, you can see it here, it's been removed. You can press undo to remove from continue watching, but when we go back to the Amazon Prime, we refresh it, you can see we no longer have that continue watching film. So hopefully that helps you out how to remove from continue watching on Prime Video. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.